Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise 5C. Give the division fact for the following. One has given here. In the same way you have to do these three. Okay. 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3. So, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. So, answer is 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Solve using the number line. 9 divided by 3. So in number line first we have to see where is 9. Here it is 9. We have to jump it back by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. Okay. Next 20 divided by 5. First we have to see 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to group till you reach 0. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Next 16 divided by 4. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Understood? Next, solve with the help of repeated subtraction. How many 7s in 56? So you have to do same as this. Okay. 56 minus 7. How many 7s in 56? Okay. First 56 minus 7. 49 minus 7. 2 minus 7. Minus 7. ಇದು 3 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಆಯಿತಾ. This is also 3. This is 2. 49. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4. So here it came, no? So 2. This is 2. 7 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2. Minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Minus 7 is 0. Now we have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. How many times can you take away 8 from 48? 48 minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times. Next, 14 divided by 2. 14 minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. One. Answer is 7. 14 divided minus 2 is 7. This is the method of repeated subtraction. This is one method how the division is made. Okay. 7. 49 divided by 7, 24 divided by 3 and 36 divided by 9. The rest of these 3 you have to do it in your home. Okay. In division statement, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 27 is the dividend. 9 is the divisor. 3 is a quotient. So quotient is answer. Okay. Okay. For this we finish our exercise 5C. Tomorrow we will see 5D. Okay. Thank you.